Mais pour nous expliquer, j'en ai subi dans main établissement américain, démocrate républicain, surtout démocrate, pour nous dire que Haïti, son pays, qui besoin de la vie. Nous besoin de vivre. Nous, c'est moun tout. Nous devons vivre. Alors, nous croyons que, Jodia, seule lumière le monde, c'est Jésus. Yeshua Amashia, Ben Yosef et Ben Mariam, qui est maman li, la reine des eaux, qui est la sirène diamant. Il y a des bagailles sous pas qu'on est yo, fermez bouchou, pas vin dit c'est diable. Parce que nous dans Kabal, nous dit, dans Kabal gagné 72 génies, qui c'est manifestation de Dieu. Nous d'accord que nous disons. Oui. Fontamara, Craig Daniel, Ayisyen. Bon bagay. Trompe te kon vin là, vin couper femme, bagay, fait banque, tout bagay. Moi-même, moi dis nous, trompe batistè haïtien. Les gars vin demander qui bon.
For someone here talk about Trump. Trump's family come to Haiti, was actually in Haiti as indentured servant. Let me say this again. Trump's family was in Haiti. Did some of you guys ever heard that before? Trump's family was in Haiti. This is where, before Trump people come to the state, they went to Haiti first. Matter of fact, her family line, her real name is not Trump. Real name is Droff. Her mother, great-grandmother was in Haiti. Her name was Joanne Droff. As an indentured servant, the German indentured servant, her name was Johann Droff from Haiti. Trump, one of the Trump great-grandfather was born in Haiti to a region called the same father that worked, and he was a scientist. He worked with Nikola Tesla. That grandfather of his, he was born in Haiti to an area called Bombardeau-Police. That region named Bombardeau-Police. And one of his grandfather that actually worked with Nikola Tesla, he was born in Haiti. Did y'all know that? Listen, people have no idea the giant we were and the power we once wield. The more they hide the truth, the more we don't know who the hell we are. And this is a beautiful time. We know who we are. Or we know who we are. It's a different day. This is why when Trump become in power, he went to Little Haiti. That's how Trump was president. He went to Little Haiti and asked for power. And that's how he become president. That's the same blueprint that Biden saw. Biden went to Little Haiti and take a knee. He become president too. And Trump didn't go in his second term to Little Haiti and he lost. Now ask yourself, what's going on in Haiti? Not a damn thing. Haiti don't have shit. But you looking at the physical side of things. But energy, this is what dictates what goes in America. Because Haiti is the remnants of the Atlantis. What you call the Caribbean is the shattered pieces of Atlantis. Haiti is the center of the world.